Good day guys, we'll be learning the basics of JavaScript. First, we'll start with variables. JavaScript variables are containers for storing data value. So now let me create a variable to understand what I mean. So to create a variable, we'll start with a variable keyword, and that's var. And this var stands for variable. That's a short form of variable. So we are going to name our variable, and let's give it x, and then we assign it to something. So we can say to assign a variable to something, we use equal sign, then equals to maybe a string or a number. Then we are going to use let's give it 5, the value of 5. So this var x is a variable, and this 5 over here is the variable value. So let's end this statement with a semicolon, because this is actually a statement, and a statement is it's like a sentence, and this semicolon is like a full stop in JavaScript. So we are ending our statement with a semicolon. So let's do something with our variable. Let's create another variable var y, and we can assign it to something, and let's assign it to 6. Give it semicolon, and then let's create another variable. Let's name it z, and then assign it to assign it to something. Let's assign it to x plus y, and so our variable z, our var z is equals to x plus y. So instead of using 5 plus 6, we can just, since x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6, we can just put x plus y, which are representing the numbers, and then the addition of 5 and 6 will be the value of variable z. So let's try and put it here so we can see, we can understand what. So actually, this variable, this statement here is what they call DOM. But I'll be taking you DOM now. I'll take you later. But my point is just to understand what variable means. Later we'll understand what DOM means. So when we Ctrl S, save it, and then refresh over here, gives us the value of 11. So that is how variable works.